Hello and welcome back to Wise Fuzz. Today, we are diving into an exciting feature that combines the power of Remix Mode and the very region editor. Get ready to take your image editing skills to the next level with the very region plus Remix. Segment number 1, Understanding Very Region. The Very Region plus Remix Mode is a groundbreaking tool that allows you to selectively regenerate specific parts of an upscaled image using a new or modified prompt. This means you have more control over the creative process, letting you fine-tune and enhance your images like never before. The Very Region button appears after you have upscaled an image using Midjourney. Segment number 2, Compatibility and Setup. Before we dive in, make sure you are using Midjourney Model Versions V5, V5.1, V5.2 or niji 5. Now, let's get started with the setup. Step number 1. Enable Remix Mode by using the /setting command and selecting the Remix option from the top pop-up menu. Step number 2. Generate an image using the /imagine command. Step number 3. Upscale your image using the U buttons. Segment number 3. Using Very Region. Now that we have our image ready, it's time to use Very Region. Step number 4. Click the Very Region button to open the editing interface. Step number 5. Select the areas you want to regenerate using the freehand or rectangular selection tools. Remember, the size of your selection impacts the results. Step number 6. Craft an updated prompt that describes the changes you want to introduce or enhance in the selected areas. Step number 7. Click the Submit button to send your request to the Midjourney Bot. You can close the Very Region editor and wait for the processing to finish. Step number 8. Once your job is processed, view your results. The Midjourney Bot will generate a new image grid based on your image and the revised prompt. Step number 4. Refining your image. But wait, there's more. You can further refine your image, upscale your new image, and use the Very Region editor again to continue enhancing your masterpiece. Segment number 5. Tips for success. Here are some tips to maximize your success with Very Region plus Remix Mode. Tip number 1. Selection size matters. Larger selection areas provide more context for better scaling and blending, but be cautious not to lose your original image essence. Tip number 2. Craft effective prompts. Focus on your desired changes and keep prompts concise. Midjourney considers both your prompt and the existing image. Tip number 3. Work in small steps. If you are making multiple changes, tackle them one at a time to maintain focus and clarity in your prompts. There you have it, folks. With Very Region plus Remix Mode, you have the power to enhance your images in a way you have never imagined. Experiment, create, and let your creativity shine. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy editing!